How do you get paid when you use Shopify point of sale? Do you have a Shopify store and want to use Shopify POS? Or perhaps you already use Shopify point of sale and want to learn how to take payments? In this video, we'll go over everything you need to know about getting paid with Shopify POS. Keep watching to find out more. How to receive payment using Shopify point of sale. If you have a Shopify store, you may collect payments in person by using Shopify POS. There are other options, just as there are for online payments. In this video, we'll go through how you be paid using Shopify point of sale utilizing Shopify payments, cash on delivery, or manual payments. Shopify payments is the simplest method to be paid with Shopify POS. All you need is a Shopify account to begin accepting payments. You may take credit and debit cards, as well as Apple Pay, Google Pay, and Shopify payments. Furthermore, there are no startup fees or hidden expenditures. You only pay when you make a sale. To learn more about how to set up Shopify payments, follow the link below and create your account. Another method of payment is cash on delivery. Customers that pay by COD can pay for their items in cash when they receive them. If you're selling high-ticket products or shipping overseas, this is a wonderful alternative. Check out the Shopify support manuals to understand how to set up COD payments. The final way we'll discuss is manual payments. Manual payments can be made offline using methods such as bank transfer or check. This is a terrific alternative if you sell consulting services or custom orders that aren't generally paid for using credit or debit cards. Check out the Shopify POS support documentation to learn more about manual payments. Now that you know how to be paid using Shopify POS, if you need assistance setting up Shopify Pay for the Shopify point of sale, please contact our staff by clicking on the link below.